located in Paire, Mandai, Mohonto Shikari. So anyone, if you want to visit this place, you are most welcome to see this place. It's a very beautiful and unique. It's a very nice and beautiful place. Whoever comes here will have a richness in mind, and it's a very unique place where you can see the water is falling very nicely. Come to Dondra. This road has been constructed many years ago, but still it's incomplete. So I request to the
Government.
MLAs and
Government of Tripura.
the government of Tripura to see this place and work out for the beautiful, for the nice betterment of Tripura and for the tourists to see the nice places of Mandai. This has been long years ago. This is a dam that you can see. It's a very nice and beautiful place. I also request to the ministers and the tourism department that if they work on it of this place, then obviously there is a lot of income then the government can earn from it. And the people also, those who are unemployed, they can earn from the small sources. So this is an appeal from me to a government, to a tourism department to look upon on this matter and make a beautiful place, make a beautiful resort, or make a beautiful side viewpoint. It's a waterfall point.